Hello Kickstarter and blog followers. We're here at the end of our Kickstarter fulfillment. We've just got a couple more units to go. This here is lucky number 13, serial number 13. I decided arbitrarily that nobody should have such an unlucky unit as this, and so here it sits. Anyways, we didn't give anybody a reasonable user manual on how to use this thing. And the reason is because even the experts aren't really sure. I can tell you that if you watch the Indiana Jones movie with Harrison Ford, awesome movie, lots of action, this will not detect fissures in time. And if yours happens to, let me know, because I do need to time travel into the past to make certain investments to secure my future in the future. But anyways, we're going to get into what I believe, after designing 340 individual parts to build this thing and assembling basically 60 of them, what I believe it actually did and what it was used for. And we're going to discuss a little later on in these next few blogs about where we're going now. We've had people, our units have been made of laser cut plastic. Now mind you that this is Delrin plastic. It's not just cheap plastic. It's actually, if you hit it with a hammer, the hammer has a good chance of losing. But we are going on and we're getting ready to make them out of metal. Of course, some people would question how I'm making. This was cut on our water jet machine, and this gear was actually made on Charlie the wooden robot over there in the corner. There's Charlie the wooden robot. Kind of a momentary lapse in reason that had to come out, and there he is. But Charlie the wooden robot actually cut this. It's accurate within 0.005 of an inch, which is really cool. And we're working on a whole bunch of the little pieces that go into building one of these. It takes 340 individual pieces. The metal one will actually have a few more pieces because it's going to be a little more sophisticated. And that'll be coming soon. I'm not going to kickstart the metal one. They'll be made individually upon request for people that want one made out of metal. And the aluminum is just a test. So we've got probably 3 months of lathe work to get all the parts ready to go, and then we'll build a metal one. But in our next few blogs, we're going to talk about what this was actually used for and how to actually use it, and a couple of limiting factors: that it was designed probably by Archimedes, and it probably worked flawlessly in Syracuse, Italy, or Greece rather. And if you're not in Syracuse, Greece, things aren't going to line up quite the way that you would expect. And maybe we'll even talk about what you might do to try to make it more like what you would expect.